Ladies and gentlemen, Satyameva Jayate. This has been our biggest lesson here at the Republic Media Network in the last 5 months. When we were persecuted, when my team was forced to make rounds of the Mumbai Police Crime Branch day after day, when my team member and friend Ghanshyam was whiplashed with a Chucky belt, when the Lutyens media conspired with Parambir and Vaze and celebrated when we fought against the injustice alone and strong with you on our side. We said, Satyamev Jayate, because we know the truth alone triumphs. And tonight, the wheels of justice have turned towards the same Taloja jail I walked out of 5 months back. Let's debate.
You are arrested.
You are arrested by Raigad police. Come on.
You have been arrested by Raigad police. Chali. Yeah.
Chase have assaulted me. Shamu, listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. You can't.
Utala.
Sachin, you tell me why you physically assaulted me. I will not accept physical assault.
An assistant police inspector,
You got too much. You are creating trouble for yourself.
a disgraced one at that, was sent to arrest Arnab on the 4th of November 2020. They called it Operation Arnab. He had the temerity to come arrest Arnab in the same green Scorpio used to plant explosives at the Ambani residence. And he did not stop there. Mr. Vaze, why have you arrested him, sir?
Sorry? The Alibag police has arrested him under section 306 and 34 of IPC. That is abatement and aiding for committing suicide.
Sir, you have evidence?
Yes, we have.
Because it was a case, I believe, that was closed by the police itself.
Yeah, the same police and same court has opened it. Sir.
No, let me leave. No, I'm doing my duty. Why don't you let me leave? No, I'm not. I'm following. We are driving the car like normal citizens, sir. Mr. Vaze.
No, you are not doing it.
No.
You are interrupting this
I
thing.
am not.
You
It's
are
my
interrupting.
duty. They tried to torture Arnab in custody in a fake case.
They surrounded me. They held me by the scruff of my neck. They pushed me. I have come here, as you can see, without shoes here today.
Yes, you are without shoes.
I'm without shoes because
It's against a Supreme Court order.
They did not let me take off my shoes. I've been assaulted. I want the people of the country to know.
They sent him to Taloja to terrorize him and shut down Republic. He plotted every arrest of the Republic Media Network on every fake charge and every fake case with his boss, Parambir Singh's blessings.
You also take video. Who told you?
Why are we doing this?
I have no idea. Basically, this part of their arrest thing. That if they have cooperated with people, they're giving the wrong impression. That's what we said.
And when we questioned him, he threw us out of the police headquarters that he shamelessly ruled.
Our CEO has been arrested Vikas Kanchandani. I'm with Republic.
Camera out.
Yeah.
Camera out.
Yeah. Sir, he has been cooperating with the summons. Why have you arrested him in such a fashion? He has been interrogated for over 100 hours, sir.
First to get out of this.
If you don't
First to get out of this. First to get out of this. Get out of this. First to get out of this.
He paraded a hardworking broadcast professional like Ghanshyam Singh. He paraded him with a black cloth and tortured the Republic staff.
When you were in police custody, they were trying to put force on you, pressure on you.
Yes, on very second day of my police custody, they beat me actually.
They beat you.
Yeah.
The hitman and the fixer for vested interests tried his best to bring down Republic along with his boss.
DARC ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है उसमें जो नाम सामने आया है वो है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का, जिसमें के सस्पिशन स्ट्रेंथ TRP के देखे गए.
But Sachin Vaze's crimes have been recorded in history. And they are on tape. They are on visuals. There is solid evidence. Unlike what he and his boss plotted against Republic.
ये पहली गाड़ी जो है वो अब तलोजा जेल में पहुंच रही है और यहाँ पर खुद सचिन वाजे मौजूद है. देखिए तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि सचिन वाजे जहाँ पर तलोजा जेल में पहुंच चुके हैं. देखिए ये है यहाँ पर ये तलोजा जेल में जहाँ पर सचिन वाजे मौजूद है.
Sachin Vaze has been exposed. The truth is out. And Vaze is in.
That assault.
And this person assaulted me, I don't know his name.
Yeah, what is his name? Oh, आपका तो
5 months after he arrested Arnab, he's cooling his heels in Taloja. Satyameva Jayate.